In this video, I'm going to show you the latest way how you can get YouTube on the PS4 in 2019, coming up next. If this is your first time watching a YourSixStudios video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I love making how-to guides and live streaming on this channel. The YouTube application on your PlayStation 4 is a little bit different than how it would be on your phone or on your computer. The reason behind this is because most people who watch it on the console or on their TV are a little bit further away. So you will notice the text is larger and all the thumbnails are much larger. On the top you have recommended, latest, music, entertainment, and gaming. Then on the far left you have search, home, and your subscriptions tab. So everything you know and love about YouTube is still present here. And you can still watch people live stream from this application. Like this one right here. There are 247 people watching this person play Minecraft. And something entirely new is new search commands on this application. Just say what you want to look for and it'll pop up. So now that you saw the application a little bit, let's go ahead and download on the PlayStation 4. Scroll all the way to the right to Library and click on that. And then go down to Applications. Once on Applications, go all the way down to TV and Video. Select that. And then next on the top bar, you're going to want to go past Search all the way to All Applications, which says All Apps. Select that and go all the way down and go to the right to More Services. Select that. Once this screen loads, you're going to be presented dozens of different applications where you can watch TV shows and movies on your PlayStation 4. Go ahead and go through these and pick what ones you want. Some of them are really good, like Pluto TV and Crackle and maybe Tubi. So from here, we are just scrolling all the way down to YouTube. This is near the bottom. Let's go ahead and select YouTube now. So from here, you can go ahead and download the YouTube application by selecting download, and it's going to add it to your download list, and it should be done relatively quickly. This is a great way to watch your favorite YouTube videos on your big screen television. And one thing that's new on the PS4 is the ability to watch YouTube videos in the PlayStation VR headset. So YouTube is now downloaded. Let's go ahead and start it up for the first time. If this video helped you up, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and check out some of the other videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.